How this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you which phone can start or load application faster than another. You can see we have the two of the best phone at the moment in the world. We have iPhone 16 Pro Max and this is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So two of the giant phone or the best phone. Let's see. So we'll start first with YouTube app. So let's see to YouTube together. 1, 2 and 3. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra loads YouTube before iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we'll close all the app. We'll try one more time. Let's see. To finalize this. 1, 2 and 3. Samsung S25 Ultra loads faster YouTube. That for sure. Now we'll close all. We'll try WhatsApp. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. This is a tie almost there. They are similar. Okay. Close all and we'll try one more app. That is YouTube Music. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra load faster. So 3 app, all of them Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has edge. We'll do something different. See, both of the phone has some tapo app of security camera. So we'll try. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra load faster all of the apps. So in this case guys, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a clear winner. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.